Delete the default cube, press Shift A and create a cylinder. Go to Modifier Properties and click the Add Modifier button. In Generate, select Screw. Expand the timeline. Select the Animate property of Screw. Move the playhead to frame 30. Increase the screw value and set the Animate property. Move the playhead to frame 50. Decrease the screw value and select the Animate property. Move the playhead to frame 70. Increase the screw value and select the Animate property. Move the playhead to frame 90. Decrease the screw value and select the Animate property. Finally, set the end frame near to the last animation change. Press spacebar to play the animation.